Welcome to DelftStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the escape from Tarkov error that says files are corrupted and an integrity check through Steam is required. First, make sure Steam is open on your computer. Now go to your Library tab at the top. This is where all your installed games are listed. Find the game in the list on the left side. When you see it, right-click on the game name. A small menu will appear. From this menu, click on Properties. A new window will open. In this window, look at the left side and click on Installed Files. On the right side, you will see an option called Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click on it once. Steam will now start checking all game files. This process may take a few minutes, depending on your system and disk speed. During this time, Steam will compare your local files with the official files and download anything that is missing or damaged. When the process is finished, close the Properties window and restart Steam. After that, try launching the game again and check if the error is fixed. Thanks for watching.